Hi, it's Jennifer with a Goodnotes tip, turning a photo into a sticker that you can use. So a lot of us download or purchase stickers from other creators, and it's great. And Lord knows I have a ton of them. But I also found that I liked a more personal touch of having some of my photos become stickers that I can use over and over. One of the ways that you can add it to a collection of your stickers is to tap on the photo icon, tap again, and this kind of see-through blue window is going to open up. Don't worry about the size. You're going to pull in a photo from your photos, tap once, and anything on your iPad in your photo album is going to come up. So you can see I have a ton of silly stuff in here. But my actual photos of people and places are right here. So I signed up for dog training from my dog Pearl, and I wanted to use a picture of her when I make my calendar entries. So let's use this one, cute one of her. I'm going to tap it once, and it's going to show up on the page. Now, if it's a one-time thing, like maybe an event or a trip or something you're doing where you don't care about making it a sticker that's in your collections, it's going to paste on your page. And when it does, it's going to be selected in a way that you can make changes by dragging. Don't know why. I think that's a Goodnotes glitch that it's doing. So it pastes to your page with it already selected. Putting your Apple Pencil on the corner where the wheel is allows you, well, for one thing, it makes a duplicate, and I honestly think that's a Goodnotes glitch. But let's go back to the beginning. We'll get rid of this double. Doing the wheel allows you to make it bigger or smaller. Look at that face. So I want to make it pretty small. But first, I'm going to save it as a sticker in one of my collections. So while it is selected, I'm going to tap it again. And these three dots means additional menus for you to choose from. Tap it once. And adding something as a digital sticker, Goodnotes calls it adding an element. So we're going to tap on Add Element. Now you'll have to pick which collection of stickers that you want to save it in. This one right here called My Words is kind of my collection of things that I have written or photos or things I've drawn, and I'm turning into my own stickers. So I'm going to tap this collection once, and it's in there. So let's delete that, and I can show you. Now we're going to go to the element icon, which is going to have all your collections. Now, my word collection happened to come up first because it's the one I use the most. And it's going to add your photo at the very bottom. So I'm going to tap that once. Now, it's going to be in that collection forever now, unless you delete it. So that's a good way of handling it when it's something that you're going to use over and over again. So I can bring it over to 11 o'clock, and I'm going to use the corner handle and drag it with my pencil to just be 11 to 12. So let me make that bigger so you can see how nice that looks. And I would probably use my text tool to put in her name. If I want to go down, I'll hit return, and I'll put training. There. Make the page smaller, and there it is. So now, if I wanted to go a few days later and I was having it again, I would go back to my element icon, I would scroll down, and I would pick my picture of Pearl, and I would make it small again. And there we are. Hey, I hope this helped. And if you want more things like this, please check out my other videos. And also, the link down below is to my new membership for beginner digital planners all the way through people who want to be more advanced. And it's called Pathway to Planning. The first month is free, and I'm looking for my founding members, which are going to have the lowest price that it will ever be. My goal is to help people who want to benefit from digital planning, but just need a different pace of learning. So please check it out and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like these and you want more tips. Thanks.